Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a standard solution. When you come into the lab, you need to be wearing your lab coat fully done up and have your safety glasses on and over your eyes. All of the lab scripts contain COSH and risk assessment information, and you need to have read this before you start working. The standard solution I'm going to be showing you how to make is with sodium hydrogen sulfate. I'm going to be using a 250ml volumetric flask to make 250 mils of 0.1 moles per decimetre cubed sodium hydrogen sulfate. In my 100ml beaker, I've pre-weighed the amount I need. You're going to have to do the calculation to work out how much you need for this. I've said to dissolve the solid in about 70 mils of water. You don't need to measure this, but this amount should give you enough so that all of your solid dissolves. So I'm going to pour it in, and that's around 70 mils. And then I'm going to use my glass rod to stir it to dissolve it. As well as stirring, I can use the end of the glass rod to crush the solid to help it dissolve faster. Now that all the solid is dissolved, I'm going to use the squeezy water bottle, and I'm going to just spray a little bit of water down so that any of my standard solution has come off the glass rod, and I'm not going to use that again, so I'll put it to one side. Then going to transfer into the volumetric flask, and I'm going to use a filter funnel to do this so I don't spill anything. And I'm going to rinse out the beaker with some water. And then I'm just going to spray round. So spraying around the edges, it means that all of the standard solution is going into the flask. I'm now going to give this a swirl, as when you're making it up, it's really important you keep mixing it to make sure you've got a homogeneous solution. And I'm just going to pour a little bit in. And then again with the filter funnel, I'm rinsing around the top so I can discard that. So you can use the squeezy water bottle to fill till you get nearer the line. And then when you get close to the line, I would always use a pipette, because if you go over the line, you're going to have to start again because you can't determine the concentration of your solution. And get into eye level. Invert it a few times, and that is my 0.1 moles per decimetre cubed. sodium hydrogen sulfate solution that can be used for a titration. Thanks for watching, and if you've any questions, send me an email.